Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to the Netherlands for free. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Today, it's a different university that is offering scholarships for you to come and study in Netherlands. If this is something you're interested in, if this sounds like something that has your name on it, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, don't make the mistake that a lot of newbies do when they join this channel, and don't make that mistake of not subscribing. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and do also share this video with your friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, this hyper chick, for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. It's all about how to travel abroad for free. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of Utrecht Excellence Scholarships in Netherlands? Yes, so I'm going to be spilling to you on exactly how you can take advantage of these scholarships. And in case you're wondering, oh, why study in Netherlands? Here are some of the reasons why you might want to consider studying in the Netherlands. So one thing you should note is after graduating from universities in the Netherlands, most students have one major goal in mind: finding a job. And it is also important to think about your own employment opportunities after you complete your studies, especially if you are studying and living abroad. Please note, students who study in the Netherlands tend to want to stay forever. So after graduating, they set out to get a job and they stay there for a long time. With one of Europe's most competitive economies, getting a job after studying in the Netherlands is not only possible, it is very possible, it is highly likely. Now, once primarily an agricultural nation, yes, the Netherlands was primarily an agricultural nation and is now a modern-day tech and startup hub. The Dutch government also promotes innovation and new talent by offering visas to foreigners with marketable skills, making the Dutch workforce one of the most diverse. In other words, international students who study abroad in the Netherlands are highly likely to join innovative companies and teams after graduation. You can increase your chances of finding work after graduating by just learning Dutch. Yes, similar to English and Afrikaans, learning Dutch can help you fit right in. Now, Dutch citizens are language savvy people. Yes, Dutch is the closest language to English, yes, as English's closest relative on the Germanic language tree. Dutch is much easier to learn for an English speaker than, say, maybe Italian or French, because both languages borrow vocabulary from each other and the grammar is similar in so many ways. So those who wish to learn a new language can benefit from studying abroad in the Netherlands. But if learning language is not your goal while studying in the Netherlands, no worries. The Dutch speak English at one of the highest native proficiencies in the world. In fact, Dutch people often joke that their own country has 2 first languages, Dutch and English. So if you're planning to study abroad in the Netherlands, you also have access to many English taught programs. So you don't need to worry if Dutch takes time to come to you. That being said, as savvy English, savvy language learners, many Dutch people also speak a 3rd or 4th language. Because of the Netherlands, its close proximity to Belgium, to France and Germany, many Dutch people also learn French or German. So don't be shy, test out your own language skills while you are studying in the Netherlands. Now, a lot of these scholarships are government funded. These scholarships are funded by the Dutch government or its official agencies. They are designed to attract talented individuals. They are designed to attract talented individuals, and they usually offer specific talented individuals from around the world, and they often focus on specific academics or fields. Now, most of these scholarships are awarded for full-time or master's or bachelor's degree at participating Dutch universities. The financial coverage and duration may vary, but government-funded scholarships generally contribute towards tuition fees, towards living costs, or even both of them. Some of them are aimed at students from specific regions or with relevant professional background. Some scholarships are also university specific. Dutch universities also offer scholarships directly through their own institutional funds, and they are typically rewarded based on academic merit, potential, or even financial needs. So some of them allocate scholarships across all faculties, while others target specific departments or programs. Now, this amount and structure of these scholarships can vary widely, and they may cover partial or even full tuition, and in some cases they can provide additional support for living expenses. Application processes are managed by each university, and the eligibility criteria are clearly outlined on the official website. The scholarship type they are merit-based, which are university funded. They cover full tuition, yes, or tuition for 1 year plus living costs. As for the eligibility criteria, it must be a non-EEA nationality, yes. You must be admitted to an eligible master's or bachelor's program at Utrecht University, and you must belong to the top 10% of the graduating class, and you must fulfill academic and English language requirements. Now guys, I have done all the homework for you. Go to the link in my description and find the link right there and start applying to the schools. Do not say I did not tell you. Do not say I did not share this information with you guys. And like I said earlier, if you are new here, don't make the mistake that a lot of newbies do. Go ahead and subscribe. The mistake is that they come here, they don't subscribe to my channel, and they end up looking for me much later, and it's stressful, especially if they cannot remember it's Travel Abroad with Miriam, right? Go ahead and subscribe so that you save yourself the hassles of missing out. You don't want to miss out on all the information I'll be sharing with you guys on this channel. In my previous videos, I also shared with you fully funded conferences, a lot of fully funded conferences. I mean, 1 week, less than a week long conference that is fully paid for. All you need to bring is just yourself, yourself, and yourself, right? So they'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and all that you need for the duration of the conference. I've shared conferences that are happening in Brazil, in the UK, in the US, in Australia, in Canada, in South Africa, Cape Town, in Romania, in Tanzania. Guys, you don't want to miss it for anything. I've done all the homework for you. I've done my part. And so if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Please introduce yourself in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you once again. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yes, that is about it. If you want to join my Patreon community, if you have any question for me, you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you can join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. And use the join button right next to the subscribe button. The link to my Patreon community is in the comments as well as in the description. So yes, go ahead and check it out. Join my inner caucus. I need your help, guys. I need your help. I need your help. All I need from you is give me a name suggestion. Yes, I need to name our community members. What name do you think I should give to our community members? I am counting on you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And check this video right here.